I stopped it and I told the violinist.
Oh, the drama.
Bam, bam,
Wow.
bam.
Wow.
And then Bazigaro, Bazigaro.
God, Anuji, you're blowing my mind away.
That song, I do miss that kind of atmosphere. I search for that director even today. I search for that madness.
Right now, there's so much of melody that is required in the film industry. Why are you not giving that much?
And we were literally hand to mouth wali halat. I had no work, no money. In fact, I don't feel ashamed to say that I have only 500 rupees left in the account.
So you've tasted blood, and there's a glint of a tear which comes in this man's eyes.
Can you zoom on the beach? Can you?
Yes, that's this. Let the real Anu Malik sir, who I know, come out to the world.
So that's what I did. I wanted work badly. I still want work badly. I still want to prove to the world that I can give fabulous films. अगर आप reality show में आए और एक judge ने बोल दिया कि वो बात नहीं है, so don't think that the judge hates you. He doesn't. He wants you to go forward in life.
1, 2, 3, go!
तुम इतना प्यार करोगे, तुम यूं इकरार करोगे, मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम. Oh my God!
So stay on the track.
आजा 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 बैंड बाजा लेके आजा. Oh my God! जल्दी चलो घर पे चलो पार्क योर कार क्योंकि देखना है द विशाल
Arey! Anu sir, first impression when I met you. And that impression is even valid till 5 minutes ago when I met you and I greeted you and I said thank you for coming. And there's one word that I associate with that impression, which is fire, motivation, inspiration.
So guys, let me tell all of you guys जो अभी हम देख रहे हैं, everybody out there watching Anu Malik and Vishal together, the guy Vishal I fell in love with was the film Ishq Vishk.
Which you were the music director for.
And we go such a long way back. More than that, I want to tell everybody out there, listen to this very carefully. This boy who praises everybody and says, I love you and I love this and I love this about you, is so humble, so lovable that you can't say no to him. And he's connected to whom? My father, Shri Sardar Malik Sahab, knew, I would say granny, great granny,
My Bua.
Bua, the famous Sudha Malhotra ji.
Yeah.
And I was stumped when I came to know that he's related to Sudha ji. And the moment we connected, I feel that we started liking each other from day one.
Instantly.
And I remember that one scene of yours in our show, Entertainment Ke Liye Kuch Bhi Karega. Whenever that kuch used to take the mic and come flying on our faces. And till today,
You remember that?
you used to come flying literally in front of me and Farhan said, kuch, baker. I said, this guy is mad. And you retain that zest for life, Vishal. And I'm so very happy to be here. And I'm thrilled to be talking to you. And you must take me back to the memory lane and tell me exactly क्या-क्या हंगामे हमने साथ में किए.
So, I can't begin to say thank you enough to this man, because before I had the absolute honor of meeting Anu sir and working with him, I, like any other 90s kid, was a huge fan इनके सारे जो beautiful songs थे. ऊंची है building, चलती है क्या 9 से 11.
So,
My favorite was, sir, which was my favorite, I've told you many times, but I'll tell you again.
हर बार बोलता है ऊंची है बिल्डिंग. I remember everyone say, Anu sir, एक बार वो मुखड़ा गा दो. मैंने कौन सा? See, I've done mind-blowing films like Border,
I'm going to interrupt
Refugee.
you. No, I'm going to interrupt you. You're not going to be allowed to say that. I have that relationship with him.
बोलना.
It is me to say that because it's coming out of the bottom of my heart. Those are the songs which everybody knows Anu sir by. But the versatility of this man, and I'll give him a little anecdote. And I started my career, मैं बहुत travel करता था. मैं shooting के लिए यहाँ जाता था, वहाँ जाता था और माँ की बहुत याद आती थी. और मैं बहुत ही naughty नटखट सा था और अभी भी हूँ.
अब तो ज्यादा हो गया.
अब मैं ज्यादा हो गया. लेकिन तब मैं अपने मॉम को बहुत सताता था, प्यार से, नॉटी. और मैं उनके लिए आपने जो गाना बनाया है, बॉर्डर का, संदेशे आते हैं, उसका एक मुखड़ा था, जिसमें लिखा है, मेरे गांव में है मेरी बूढ़ी माँ, मेरे माँ के पैरों को छू के उसके बेटे का प्रणाम.
प्रणाम. हाँ, मैं वापस आऊँ.
What I mean, I'm getting goosebumps right now क्योंकि ये joke में हम कहते थे. But I remember being in my hotel room at the end of the shoot and saying, वही थोड़ी दूर
क्या
है.
क्या बात
अब थोड़ा है घर
नहीं मतलब
मेरा.
it starts from there. ए गुजरने वाली हवा बता मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या मेरे गाँव जा मेरे दोस्तों को सलाम दे वहाँ रहती है मेरी बूढ़ी माँ उसके पैरों को छूकर प्रणाम दे मैं वापस आऊंगा फिर उसी गाँव में पेड़ की छाओ में कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब
This is the legend
आओगे,
of Anu
कहो
Malik.
कब आओगे।
And I am so privileged and grateful and blessed कि I am sitting here with the legends of our film industry. Time will come, time will stay, time will go. But this man's legacy will always remain. You know guys, जब मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ चिल मार रहा हूँ, गपशप कर रहा हूँ, जैसे कि मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ, और मुझे क्रेविंग आ जाती है कि मैं कुछ टेस्टी खाऊं, कुछ क्रंची, कुछ डिलिशियस, कुछ फन खाऊं, which goes very well with my tea and coffee. I always choose an option that is delicious and crunchy. That's why I choose Americano coconut cookies. Delicious, crunchy, and great fun. And now, back to the conversation. Here goes.
Wow.
Sir, it's 46 years. 1977, Hunter Wali was your first film with your amazing father. Sardar Malik sir had been the music composer of, and you were the music director for one song, Zulm.
जुल्मो सितम पर इतराने वाले तू भी तो एक दिन मिट जाएगा
देखा
तेरा जमाना है मैंने माना मेरा भी एक दिन आ जाएगा तो अभी आजकल बोलते हैं ना अपना टाइम आएगा तो वी वर राइटिंग दैट in a different way.
You were always ahead of your time.
दिन आएगा.
You were always ahead of your time. And you were always enthusiastic about the moment that you
but
were
that moment was very surreal. You just took me back, Vishal, into time. When you mentioned dad, let us share the trivia. There's a knock on the door by the producer director, Mr. Mohan Choti, who's unfortunately not there.
Yeah.
He says, sir, it was my dad. आप म्यूजिक दे रहे हैं लेकिन ये लड़का कुछ मैं जब आया कुछ गा रहा था
अच्छा he noticed
so I said I didn't know I was 14
that's what I was going to ask you
just actually 14 or 15 so
14
I was 14 and he entered we had a small place he entered the hall and I was just standing watching people come and go he said wow I've seen this man and the moment he passed me by I remember I started humming something. कुछ गा रहा था. So he turned back, looked at me and goes straight to my dad. Said, आपका बेटा कुछ गा रहा था, मुझे अच्छा लगा.
अच्छा.
So मैं इससे गाना बनाना चाहता हूँ.
Just on that.
So I was like, what? And daddy said, बट बहुत छोटा है. ये बट इतना मैं कह सकता हूँ कि जब इसको कोई पर्चा दे दो बोलो के साथ so he starts humming a tune on the parcha.
Yes.
Like, so, he said, yeah, so he put a piece of paper in front of me, kuch gao. So I started singing on it. Started singing on the words.
Immediately,
So he says, tum kya gaa rahe ho? No, I don't know what to do. At that time, he at once caught my hand and said, tum recording kar us gaa rahe, likhwa lo. And I remember that line which was used by Sajid Nadiadwala in the film Har Dil Jo Pyar Karega with Salman.
Yes, of course.
Was that line when I walked into the theatre, I requested Asha and she was...
Asha Bhosle.
Asha Bhosle, she was so kind. She came. Her arm was in a sling.
I see.
Unfortunately, but she came, wanted to meet me. Market mein baat phel gayi thi. There's a 14-year-old boy about to record a song in the industry. It's a big deal.
Of course.
And there was this orchestra, there was brass and rhythms and all. So there was one gentleman who came up to me. I won't name him.
Why not?
He comes up to me and says, looks at me and says, ऐसा नहीं है, मैं ऐसा बजाऊंगा. कौन है composer?
अच्छा.
So I went up to him and said, I am the composer. That line would become very famous. I am the composer. I made the song and आपको इसी तरह बजाना पड़ेगा. And Ashi smiled. She smiled actually. She said, सुनो गाना इसलिए बनाया The song was recorded and there was clap because I think they also clap for the fact that a 14-year-old boy
With
could
such
pull
conviction.
it off with Asha Bhosle
Yes.
and pull it off with telling the orchestra people, तुम ये नहीं बजाना, तुम ये बजाना, तुम ऐसे नहीं करना, ऐसे करना. So they were quite impressed. And I think somewhere that would give me that confidence to step into the industry.
But is that what music does to you, Anu sir? आपके सारे inhibitions जो हैं, जो भी doubts हैं, fear है, सब निकल जाते हैं.
Vishal, let me put it this way. And because it's a very candid conversation, when you know that Saraswati Ma has blessed you,
Yeah.
nothing else matters. You are only grateful to Ma.
Yes.
That how does this music come into me?
Right.
That's an answer I don't have.
Yeah. Of
Like
course.
when you act in front of the camera,
Yeah.
and you give a certain shot, sometimes you wonder, dialogues tha, सब कुछ था, लेकिन I pulled it off.
वो तरीका कैसे आया?
वो कैसे?
जी.
That I think is only Saraswati Ma.
Absolutely.
For example, if you start this conversation now, as we go ahead, कि भाई अगर पर्चे पर आपको कोई लिखावट मिले, तो आप ट्यून बनाते कैसे हैं? Let's start. अब तू मुझे कुछ
मैं अभी फायदा लेता हूँ इस
नहीं,
relationship का.
I don't know what's in your head right now.
Yeah, you don't know. Okay, this is a fact.
Now, I don't know what's in his head.
I was going. Dekha, this I knew it's going to happen. This is the connection that I have with this amazing man with the grace of God.
नहीं, but honestly, with the
I'll tell you
world,
right now. Sir.
world keeps on asking me, ये कैसे करते हो?
I want to
Even
take
I
this,
don't know.
I
just
want to
try
take
and-
this conversation further by emphasizing your point. The mystery about this man and the greatness about it, at least from my point of view, is the fact that he is music. He can make a tune right now about any point, anything, any subject, and you've done it several times. A lot of people have questioned him in jest. A lot of people have done it, obviously most have done it in respect, but he has come through. Anu sir, who am I to fluff you? Or who are you to fluff me? Who are we? We have been blessed by the
No, no,
gods.
it is, I always thank Saraswati Ma,
Saraswati.
and I say again and again,
And I have
it's
to
not
underline.
me.
Yeah.
It's not me. It is blessings of Lord Ganesh Ji.
Yeah.
It's the blessing of Saraswati Ma that I can do what I'm doing. People ask me, are you the guy who's given more the music more than 300 films? I say, I'm about to start.
Yes, that is what I was saying. When I first met him, my first impression till today is fire, because this man is always about, come on, yeah, let's do this next. And it's not only about the sphere of music, Anu sir. If I may say so, you are like a child. That energy. Acha, I'm going to take undue advantage मैंने बोला था ना, and we'll continue on this conversation. This show is called The Vishal Hour. I know that if I tell you, within a second, you'll come up with a tune right now.
Now, you said the Vishal R.
जी हाँ.
So guys, I have no clue कि ये मुझे विशाल आर पर कुछ पूछेगा. बड़ा शातिर लड़का है.
हाँ.
So he's telling me to make something on the Vishal
Acha,
R.
I have your favorite instrument. Can I get it? Harmonium?
Leah?
Anu Malik sir is composing a song right now.
So he wants me to compose a song on the word Vishal R.
The Vishal Hour.
The Vishal Hour.
Yeah.
Hour नहीं बोलूँगा, R बोलूँगा.
R बोलता ठीक है.
तो मुखड़ा ऐसे ही आता है.
जी.
पल पल ऐसे आ रहा है. क्यों? R समय वक्त.
पल.
पल 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 चलता जाए. पल 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 चलता जाए. जल्दी चलो घर पे चलो, पार्क योर कार, क्योंकि देखना है द विशाल आर. देखना है द विशाल आर. अच्छी बात है.
Wow.
You know, पल 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 समय चलता जाए.
ओहो.
पल 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 समय चलता जाए. जल्दी चलो घर पे जाके पार्क कर लो अपनी कार. क्यों? क्योंकि देखना है हम सबको द विशाल आर. द विशाल आर with Anu Malik
With the
and
legend.
Vishal.
With the legend
The
Anu Malik.
Vishal आर. अब तो मजा क्या है? If you take out these words,
Yeah.
if you take out these words, और इसमें हम romantic words डालें,
हाँ.
तो एक गाना बन जाता है अचानक.
Beautiful.
अब people ask me ये गाना बनता कैसे?
हाँ.
अब suddenly we change the whole thing. तुमसे मिले, वही ये बात.
बिल्कुल.
तुमसे मिले, दिल की धड़कन बढ़ने लगी.
Wow.
बात वही हुआ.
Wow.
तुमसे मिले, दिल की धड़कन बढ़ने लगी. फिर से गाएंगे. जो मैंने पल 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 में गाना था ना, ये
बिल्कुल
गाना था।
बिल्कुल
So I've changed. अब उसने बोला गाना बनेगा कैसे? तुमसे और रारी रा रे रारी तारारी रा 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 तारा तारारा तुमसे मिले दिल की धड़कन बढ़ने लगी धीरे धीरे नशे की तरह तू मुझ पे सर पे चढ़ने लगी
ओह वाओ
तुमसे मिले दिल की धड़कन बढ़ने लगी धीरे धीरे नशे की तरह तू सर पे चढ़ने लगी अब तो लगता है प्यार होने वाला है अब तो लगता है ये दिल खोने वाला है pum 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 pum. So I changed that and made a romantic song. So the song just came out, and this is the way I compose my melodies, and this is where I always fall down at the feet of Saraswati Ma and thank her because I question this myself. How does this happen? And she smiles.
Outstanding.
And she
Outstanding. Wow. So you know it feels like such a blessing that I have seen this happening now and repeatedly. You know guys, जब मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ चिल मार रहा हूँ, गपशप कर रहा हूँ, जैसे कि मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ, और मुझे क्रेविंग आ जाती है कि मैं कुछ टेस्टी खाऊं, कुछ क्रंची, कुछ डिलिशियस, कुछ फन खाऊं, which goes very well with my tea and coffee. I always choose an option that is delicious and crunchy. That's why I choose Americano coconut cookies. Delicious, crunchy, and great fun. And now, back to the conversation. Here goes. So this is not a one-off. हाँ मैं आप सबको बताना चाहता हूँ कि I've had the pleasure and Anu sir has always obliged that I've said, Anu sir, इस पर अभी compose करो. And immediately, and not just any era gera tune. I mean, how amazing. अगर आप ये release कर दो अभी.
अच्छा कॉपीराइट हमारा है भैया
ये कॉपीराइट इनका है
साथ में हम दोनों गए
नहीं इनका है
नहीं मेरी डायरेक्टर ये है
अच्छा
मेरी डायरेक्टर ये ही मोटिवेटेड मी शी इज माय डायरेक्टर
सर नेक्स्ट फिल्म आई प्रॉमिस एंड यू प्रॉमिस मी हां
और चेंज इट यू कैन डू एनीथिंग सो यू नो दिस स्टार्ट कुछ होता है
बिल्कुल
and it starts and I get really inspired when I have a script.
Yeah.
If a great director is sitting in front of me, I'll give you small examples. Rajkumar Hirani.
Yes.
Now, when I was signed up, I wasn't signed up, but I was told I'm getting a new director. Vidhu told me I'm getting a new guy who's making a film called Munna Bhai MBBS. You know, it has been documented by Raju Hirani sir. That I gave him a situation where I said, रात का वक्त है, there is this guy in the hospital. By the time it strikes 4, he's gone. I said, gone मतलब he'll die. So जो भी जिंदगी भर की खुशियां हैं, उसको एक रात में देखनी.
बिल्कुल.
I was stunned with the situation. No, I was stunned with the situation.
Oof.
I said,
very tough situation.
Very tough.
Yeah.
I said, wow. What am I going to do?
And your mind would normally go into a sad situation.
Yeah. So what I told him, give me 2 minutes. So Raju sir has said this. He came to Idol once. He told this to Amir also. Amir was beside him. So I just got up. And he said, Annu Malik just got up. And I could see him walking, pacing in his hall.
Right.
For 15 minutes. And I went on watching him. And in 15 minutes, he comes to me. Says, sir, I've got something for you, but I'm a little scared to hum it to you. So Vidhu said, bataiye. Yeah. So, he said, what? I said, I've got something to hum to you, but I'm a little scared. Should I? Well, Raju and Vidhu said, sunaiye. So I just sat down and just looked at him and said, रात का वक्त है. You said hospital. सारी जिंदगी में खुशी है तो आई जस्ट hummed out this line देख ले आंखों में आंखें डाल सीख ले so I saw Raju was sitting like this he sat up da 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 I didn't have the words
of course
da da di da 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 मरने से पहले जीना देख ले सीख ले आंखों में आंखें डाल सीख he just got up and I got scared that I may have lost the film. He just gets up and tells Vidu, we have found a composer.
Wow.
And he gave me a huge hug. And I told him, sir, to be very honest with you, you are loving my song, but I was inspired by you. So what I'm trying to say, Vishal, जब अपनी पिक्चर थी केन घोष की, इश्क विश्क, Ken inspired me to get that music, that script, that madness of the script. Raju inspired me.
By just telling you a situation.
I
Not
love
even the whole
I
script,
love a
mind
script.
you.
For example, recently,
Hmm.
5 years back, I got, my film got, and the singers got, unfortunately, मुझे नहीं मिला,
Hmm.
but 3 national awards for which song? Momo ke Dhage.
Bilkul.
It was the script. It was the lyrics. So
But
I
why
get
did you
inspired.
get that? I mean, I'm not trying to get into any politics, but what's the reason given?
क्यों नहीं दिया भैया मुझे? मैंने इतनी मेहनत की थी.
क्यों नहीं? मतलब what is the reason? Official reason क्या था?
Nobody knows.
What a song.
They gave it to the singer. They gave it to everyone.
ये वो है ना?
It was this one that did it.
ये मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहा ये सुलझे, है रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे, ये मोह मोह सब. So the song lives on.
This is the same man who has given you Uchiya building.
And that was fun. That was mad.
This is the same man who's given you Do Me a Favor, Let's Play Holy.
Oh, yeah.
This is the same man who's given you my favorite of, I mean, I love his, but one of my favorite stanzas is Mere Mehboob, Mere Sanam.
Oh, yes.
This is the versatility of a man. I mean, who am I to compliment you? But here's my point, sir. That versatility that you had, you were, I would use a word with a lot of respect, is that you were at a time and at a position where you were allowed that versatility. I have noticed, and I've noticed this in my own career, that a lot of us are being boxed. We're being typecasted. कि यार typecast मतलब आपने, your typecasting is another word for you're getting punished for doing a great job. कि आपने ये किया है तो आप इसी ढांचा में रहेंगे. You have done all these songs and you have done these and you have done Sandesh Se Aate Hain and you will do many more. But I noticed that in the middle, and you are not a man, you're not a man of many words when it comes to talking about your emotions, but you give me that opportunity, I'll remind you. And if I'm saying anything wrong, stop me right there. We were at Yashraj Studios. We had eaten a lunch and the shoot had gotten postponed by about 15-20 minutes. Where in his own loving manner, Anuji held my hand and he said, Vishal, baith ja yaar. How are you? Always asking me how I am. So I'm fine, sir. And for the first time in that schedule, we did Entertainment ke liye kuch bhi keh rahega show for 5 years together. And this was the 3rd year where he finally, after that, spoke about himself for a minute, where he allowed me to ask him a question. And I was a child when I asked that question. And the question was, sir, and I feel even weird saying it now, that, sir, there is so much melody left. Right now, there's so much of melody that is required in the film industry. Why are you not giving that much? And you very candidly turned around and smiled. You had this blissful smile. I don't know how when you say these words. यार विशाल आजकल मुझे कोई ऐसा अच्छा काम नहीं दे रहा है. I mean, I get tears in my eyes, Anu sir, when you said that.
Vishal, I still remember that. But also, I want to tell you something that ये जो industry है, I've come to this conclusion. I don't want to blame anybody. When I started out, I had great composers in front of me. Lakshmikant Pyarelal, Kalyanji
Burman,
Anand ji, and R.D. Burman.
Yes.
My God. And I was struggling to get even one film because the greatest composers were working.
Yeah, absolutely.
उसके बाद, when I thought I had inched my way in, came the other composers. So I've always been pushed here and there. But instead of getting angry about it, instead of getting worked up about it, instead of getting very, very depressed about it. I took it as a learning lesson that God is making me stronger to survive and play a longer innings.
Hmm.
Because talent is there everywhere.
They will come, prove themselves, and show the world what we are. You can't stop talent from coming in. You got to see, are you talented? If you have that in you, will you survive the storm that's all around you?
I see.
So that's what I did. I wanted work badly. I still want work badly.
Yes, I know.
I still want to prove to the world that I can give fabulous tunes. But instead of walling in self-pity,
Oh.
I have pushed all my energies into creating songs.
But did you ever, sir? Because you're also a human being at the end of the day.
No, you
I
get a
mean,
little, you
I'm
get a
talking
little,
to you
you
from
get
a point of
you
view.
get a little worried. You wonder,
Because you have to.
you know, you're moving ahead and there's great talent coming in from all sides. But what keeps me going is that when I hear melodies, and I like the melodies, what others are creating, when I come out with one melody, suddenly people start humming.
Yeah.
That makes me very happy.
It stands out.
They say, yaar, ye Annu Malik ka hai.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
the fact that this thought process ticks inside me,
Yeah.
I feel as long as I have that in me, as long as I really have the urge. Like, for example, you said these songs. Like, when I came in, Mard Tange Wala.
Oh,
That was that.
मुझे दुश्मन क्या
with-
मारेगा मेरा दोस्त है
मुझे-
ऊपर वाला.
Correct. That says it all.
बिल्कुल.
मुझे दुश्मन हाँ. After that was Son Rubiya. तुमसे after that was Soni, मेरी Soni,
Oh,
Soni.
yeah.
और
How?
नहीं कोई
These are. I didn't know these are also your
रब
songs.
से ज्यादा
My God.
तेरा नाम लेता हूँ.
Amazing.
रब मुझे माफ करे मेरा इंसान. और right out of that, what was that song? Oh, Shahrukh. What? दो चार ऐसी मुलाकातें होगी
Yeah.
सारे जमाने में बातें होंगी इस प्यार से मेरी तरफ ना देखो. और वहां से निकल गए.
हाँ.
उससे पहले था दिल चाहे आसमां पे लिख दूं नाम तेरा. और
Oh.
वहीं से वही नोट्स में वही स्टाइल रोमांस. इश्क विश्क प्यार व्यार इश्क विश्क प्यार. Remember?
My
You remember your film? What is the number? चोट दिल पे लगी
I remember when you were composing this.
प्यार होने लगा. चोट दिल पे लगी प्यार होने लगा. वो अजनबी मेरे दिल को. Correct. भला भला सा. So imagine coming from there
Wow.
and then we came in. उससे पहले था तेरे दर पर सनम चले आए. और
तू ना आया.
और
हाँ.
after that बाजीगरो
Oh.
बाजीगर
That was wild.
तू है बड़ा. So that was the beginning of Annu Malik in the 90s.
Really, you feel
Yeah.
that? I
Yeah.
feel way before that the whole
No, but itna I'd seen.
adulation, that whole.
No, why when Mithun Da gave me a chance to sing a song.
Which one?
हमको मेरी नहीं मांगता, हमको
Oh.
मेरी नहीं मांगता, हमको Sandra from Banana ही मांगता.
तो कौन मानता?
Julie Julie. तो वो करते
Wow.
करते, and I want to tell, really I want to use this platform.
Yeah.
When I thank Saraswati Ma, I want to tell you something very emotional.
Please.
That the fact that my tunes had an Akshay Kumar, had a Shah Rukh,
Yeah. Bazigar.
had a Salman,
Oh, so many.
had an Amir Khan in their prime,
Yes.
they also took my song to a different level. See, to get
Of course.
what I'm saying is,
Yeah.
when Ishwish came out, Shahid was virtually new.
Yeah.
You were
First
new.
film. First
yeah,
film.
new.
Yeah.
But they turned out to be big stars.
Yeah.
You took off from there.
Yes.
I would say Ramesh ji.
Really brought a lot of people together. Ramesh Kumar ji,
Yes,
like
of
you,
course.
Shahid, me, Ken,
Amrita.
but
Shehnaz.
Amrita,
Yeah.
and all fabulous
Absolutely.
actors.
Mehuna also, sir. You.
मैं हूं ना Farah.
What amazing.
Farah's first film.
Yes. And what
So,
amazing music.
What I want to say is, I cannot take it away. Many people ask me that तुमने क्या गाने बनाए? But I sometimes, in hindsight, I remember my father. I'll tell you a very emotional thing. I remember my dad. One of the most talented composers who never got his due. And I told Dad that. I said, Dad, just imagine Saranga Teri Yaad Mein. Ask Sudha auntie about this song.
Yes,
It's timeless.
absolutely.
If this song had been picturized on Raj Kapoor and Nutan ji, my dad would be there.
Yes, absolutely.
He didn't have the stars. So why I thank stars is because somehow I feel I thank Saraswati Maa. She brought all of us together.
Yes.
Without, Sangeet, the right word is Sangeet, Sangat.
Sang.
अच्छी संगत हो तो संगीत बनता है. A great producer, a great director, a great singer, a great lyric writer, a great actor, and if your time is right.
ये सारा कूल मर्चेंडाइज आपका हो सकता है. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज कमेंट और हमें बताइए कि आज के एपिसोड के बारे में आपने क्या सोचा. टॉप 5 कमेंट्स को मिलेंगे ये मर्चेंडाइज एब्सोल्युटली फ्री. इजंट दैट अमेजिंग? सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? कमेंट, लाइक, हिट द बेल आइकॉन एंड हे, सब्सक्राइब टू द विशाल आर.
It boils down to that question of yours कि आपको, when you caught my hand and said, I have a lot of melodies to give, how do I feel? I said, it's in my mind, I said, it's time. Samay. Sometimes it takes you. You need Samay to be with you. You need your talent to be with you. You need luck to be with you. And you need your own inner strength not to give up. It's a combination of inner strength, God, Samay, time, and goodness.
If you are dedicated to your profession, if you believe in God and you believe in your work, if there's a storm from anywhere, and never be vindictive. Never ever, if someone hurts you, उसको पी जाओ and understand कि वो कहाँ से आ रहे हैं. Just forgive, move on, because that energy I want to keep for my songs.
I want to keep it for my music only. Because it's all energy. The interview that we are doing right now is energy.
Absolutely.
The question that you're asking is energy. If I suddenly, I'm in that mood, अरे यार उसने ऐसा किया, मेरा बहुत, it takes away the fun.
Yeah.
Be positive, stay happy, and thank God for, I always thank God for what He's made me and given me. Say thank you. कितना शुक्रिया करूं? कितना शुक्र करूं? I'm sitting with a wonderful person.
At the beach, the Vishal Art, what more can I ask from God? It's one of the most magical moments to be here with me. That's the way I view.
This is the conversation which I'm so happy that you all have kind of been privileged to be privy to. कि आपने भी ये experience किया है, because a lot of people have opinions about everybody. मेरे बारे में सबके पास opinions हैं, दूसरों के बारे में, अनु सर के बारे में भी opinions हैं. You can love us, you can hate us, but you can't ignore Anu sir. There have been times that when somebody has been down, or anybody,
We all go through it.
But the fact, yes, we all go through that. And the fact that you have the maturity today to turn around and talk about it with such maturity and comfort shows that the evolution is so much.
Yeah, absolutely. Because I would say I've really been blessed with my wife. I'm bringing her into this conversation is because, oh my God.
I just want to say something. I don't know if the cameras are catching this, and I know I'm going to embarrass this man.
No, not at all.
But he's so passionate. When he was talking, when he mentions two things, I have noticed this about Anu sir. You'll see a glint of a tear in his eye which never comes out. One is music, and he always says, "I thank Saraswati Ma." And there's a glint of a tear which comes in this man's eyes. I'm embarrassing him. I'm not even looking at him.
So can you zoom on the beach? Can you,
Yes.
And
yes.
I'll tell you a story.
Yes.
If you zoom on the beach, the
No,
camera.
tell him right now.
No,
Catch
no,
this. Let
if
the
you-
real Anu Malik sir, who I know, come out to the world today.
Vishal, if you catch the beach right now, which we are, this is the very same beach when I had virtually, literally no work.
When was this? What
Just
year?
before the 90s, 88.
Okay. So 14 at the age, you had gotten to this appreciation by somebody amazing.
Yeah,
You got
and
a
then
song,
I came up in
you
life.
kept doing, and then
And
all of a
then
sudden,
There was nothing.
there was nothing. So you have tasted blood.
I had Phir Teri Kahani Yaad Aayi when Mahesh Bhatt.
Yes.
I cannot ever not take his name because he's the man who sensed that I have something in me to offer.
And what lovely
And he gave me
music.
Phir Teri Kahani
कौन
Yaad
सा
Aayi.
गाना था सर? Please एक remind कीजिए.
All
बहुत ही
songs,
अच्छा था.
all
What was that
songs.
song from?
बादलों में छुप रहा है चांद क्यों अपने हुस्न की ज़या से पूछ लो चांदनी पड़ी हुई है मांद क्यों अपने ही किसी अदा से पूछ लो
I needed to hear. But go on.
So I remember why I say the beach.
In those days, silver discs were given to composers and singers.
Silver disc.
Silver disc, if your music did well.
Right.
So there was a party, and Mr. Ratan Jain,
Yes.
the producer of Azir,
Yes. Venus, right?
Venus, had called me to a function.
And said, "यार आज किसी को डिस दिया जा रहा है." I was doing an album for him.
I see.
He said कि यार मेरे पास
Again,
कुछ
this is
काम
the
नहीं है.
80s.
End of 80s.
Okay. 88,
We're about
89.
to enter the 90s.
जी हाँ.
The boom would start. I didn't even know the boom would start.
Because 80s में थोड़ा सा लल हो गया था.
लल हो गया था. And 88,
89 में, there was this party, and said, "Tu aja."
and he had given me a small album to do with Pankaj Udhas ji.
Okay.
And I was very happy. But Pankaj ji was doing very well.
Absolutely.
A talented ghazal singer, lovely person. So I was very excited. And I requested Asha ji also to sing one or two numbers. She came. But I had no work. So Ratan ji ne bola, ye karte rehte hain. One day he says, "Tu aaja party par." I landed at the party and he says, "Ek baat bolni hai." I was newly married.
I see.
Just newly married. I said, "What is it?" मैं एक पिक्चर बना रहा हूँ जिसके डायरेक्टर है अब्बास बस्तान.
I see.
Said, "Okay." New. I just little bit I've heard about them. They had done this film Khiladi.
Right.
And there's this new boy who's come out of Dilwale, Deewana, I think, Deewana, and Fauji. And he's got something.
Right.
Ratanji boy, there's something magical about him.
Yeah.
And there's this young girl, Kajol, who's
Yeah.
Tanuja ji's daughter.
Right.
अभी ये सब बड़े-बड़े नाम हैं.
बिल्कुल.
उस वक्त they were all coming in. Abbas Bastan, Shahrukh.
Absolutely. By the way,
Kajol.
he's talking about Shah Rukh Khan if you all haven't got that yet.
Yeah,
Wow.
so I said, yes sir, मैं क्या करूं? सर मैं सोच रहा हूं कि you come on board. तो मैंने पहला डायलॉग था डूबते हुए के तिनके का सहारा. So I said, what's the name of the film? Abbas must have been not there. I said, Bazigar. I said, oh God. Bazigar, I found it a very tough name. Bazigar.
I see. I see.
And I was looking for some romantic thing. I said, क्या गाना बनाऊं इस पर?
Bazigar and romance.
Yeah.
My God.
So I said, how do I do it? So I said, sir, give me a minute. Can I go? This. She said, तू कहाँ जा रहा है? I was very excited
Of
because
course.
I was being offered a film and I was hungry for work.
Yes.
So उस जमाने में ऐसी walls होती थी.
हाँ.
I just came out of the party, for example, like just come running out of the lobby or the hall, wherever, stand there and jump. And my house was, this party was happening somewhere near Sun and Sand.
जी हाँ.
वहां से भागा and I started running on the beach. Running on the beach.
This
And
beach.
This
Jew
very
beach.
beach. Yeah, this very beach. And my house was just there.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
यहीं पर है जी.
So I started running, and while running, I started humming. Bazigaro, Bazigaro.
No way.
Yeah, I started humming.
While you're running.
While running. This is my mukra. Tu hai bada jadugar. इतने बना है.
I can just imagine Anu Malik sir running
Literally.
and in the beach
No,
and humming the
literally
Bazigar.
humming the song, and I landed home, and I told my wife, Anju, she said, what? And we were literally hand to mouth wali halat. I had no work, no money. In fact, I don't feel ashamed to say that I had only 500 rupees left in the account. 500 bucks. I said, I think there is a possibility I'm being offered a film to compose. And I remember she just caught my hand and said, really? I said, yes. And I said, give me the phone, landline. I rang up Ratan ji. said, sir, एक मुखड़ा है, आप कहाँ पहुँचे हो? बोला पार्टी खत्म होगी 11:30-12 बजे. मैं मिल्टन अपार्टमेंट रहूँगा. Those days we used to work late.
जी.
So I said, मैं आऊँ? बोला अभी 12:30 बजे. I said, yes. So I told my wife, I'm going right now. I'm going to hum this
Song too.
So landed up in his office. मैं बताना चाहता हूँ सुनने वालों का what is hunger? काम की hunger क्या
Oh,
होती
it's
है?
coming across.
So I landed up there and I said, sir, I've got something. बोला कहा? Very sweet of him to say कहा. And I said, मैं डरते हुए धीरे से कहा, बाजीगर, बाजीगर, तू है बड़ा जादूगर. इतना ही नोट गाया. He rings up Abbas Bastan and says, Abbas bhai, Bastan bhai, we have a composer. Exactly. There's another story. Somebody else was supposed to do, and he said something. They didn't like it, so they came to me, and they were worried who will compose. Moment I hummed this tune, in 3 days we got it written, and on the sets also I remember, Mehboob Studio, Kumar Shanu, Alka ji, and
Your
They-
favorites.
yeah,
by the way.
great singers.
Yeah.
I mean, all of these
Of
people
course.
supported me.
Yeah.
I mean, without their support, I would not be. I'll be honest with you. You have great lyrics and great singers. It makes a lot of difference. Great musicians, great arrangements. I was there on the sets, and suddenly I looked at Abbas Bastan and Ratan ji, and all excited. कि गाना हो रहा है, पहला गाना. In those days, the excitement was madness, Vishal. It's not like just recording a song now.
Acha.
It's palpable.
I mean, the
Where-
passion was something else.
Madness. 100-piece orchestra.
Oh,
You feel a Shah Rukh
wow.
Khan will also come into. You'll feel
गणेश जी की वहाँ पूजा हो रही है
जी बिल्कुल.
नारियल तोड़ा जा रहा है we are praying you know that kind of thing on the sets suddenly what happens is the conductor says 1 2 3 4 and I said stop I'm not doing the song I said I'm not doing the
Oh,
song
why?
Alka Shanu was shocked so I said there's something missing the song started da ri ra ri ra 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 I said no and Abbas Bastan remember this Abbas bhai remembers this even today
Yes.
So, Annu bhai, आपने पूरा recording रोक दिया. When I was desperate for work, I said, no, I can't do this song. Has this guy lost it? I said, there's something gone wrong. Something gone wrong. I had to look at my musician. I said, let me write something. तो अब्बास भाई क्या राइट गाना तो बन गया मुखड़ा अंतर सब हो गया नहीं सर गाना टेक ऑफ नहीं हुआ एंड देयर आई रोट
There I wrote on the sets. I said, let's start the song. मेरा दिल था अकेला, तूने खेल ऐसा खेला, तेरी याद में जागू रात भर. I stopped it. And I told the violins.
Oh, the drama.
Bam, bam,
Wow.
bam.
Wow.
And the Bazigaro, Bazigaro. And I remember, Vishal, the entire studio, musicians,
gave us standing ovation. At those days,
I feel like doing it right now.
and they were going mad. Say, क्या take off हुआ गाना? And that madness.
I search for that director even today. I search for that madness. I search for the singers who would sit. All my singers, they used to work ad nauseum. They used to, Anuji वापस सुनाएंगे, Anuji वापस सुनाएंगे, मुखड़ांतरा. So it was that
Passion.
passion,
Is that madness still there? Is that environment still there?
I would love to do that. I would love to do my music. I did that in Momo Ke Dhage.
Yes.
I had Papon and Monali sitting there learning the song.
Right.
My director Sharad Kataria was there. Aditya Chopra supported us.
Yes.
Manish Sharma, the producer, supported us.
And the result is there for all to see.
Yeah.
Read that Junoon.
But it's not there anymore.
It depends on people working in technology has changed the name of the game.
So has it really diluted it? Because
No,
we're
I
talking
don't-
about orchestra singing and
No, Vishal, I think things have changed. You've got to go with the flow.
yes.
But yeah, I do miss that kind of atmosphere. Why do those songs stand the test of time? So I do miss that kind of feeling. But I don't blame the youngsters who are doing fabulous work today. I've heard some great songs, great singers.
Yes, I mean, you've always been appreciative of so many of the singers
Yeah,
we discuss, and
Tremendous.
you've
So
been
many.
so giving. But yours is a kind of music, according to me, which is always relevant. You know, there are some songs which have their time. It's in that era. But yours is a kind of a personality which molds itself. Means you kind of mold into like today, you can make a song which is very 2024, or I would say 2025, because you're always been ahead of it. You've got the pulse of the people, and
Yeah,
you work, as you said, with the script.
Vishal, I believe that.
So I'm
if you
asking a
don't-
question,
Yeah, sure. Go
which
for it.
is why has the I'm not only saying the film industry, but I'm saying now this as a generic question. But since we're in the film industry, why has it become such a careful place? Why isn't it there that junoon? Like, for example, I remember, and it was so nice of you. I feel so blessed to be associated with that moment of yours. You had come to my house for Ganpati. You're always there at my lovely events. Thank you. And we sat on the parapet and you said, Vishal, guess what? In this festive time, I have been called by Aditya Chopra to do a film,
That was 2016.
2016. And I remember you sharing that moment with me. And I saw a child in you, that glitter in your eyes.
Yeah, because I love composing. But I want to tell you something. In the Hindi film industry, there are certain directors who want the atmosphere.
And why is it not happening?
It's slowly happening.
It is? You're seeing the transformation?
Yeah, I'm seeing the
Yeah.
result. I've been very, very happy with what I've been hearing. I was very happy with Gadar.
Yes, of
I
course.
think it's a mind-boggling film which showed the world कि boss फिल्में तो इसी तरह बननी चाहिए.
Ji.
And the people fell for it.
Yes,
Animal, if you see the film,
loved it.
I mean, is that the madness is there in the film
Junoon
in
hai.
terms of the actors,
Yeah.
the film,
The
the
filmmaker,
performances, the
yeah,
filmmaker, everything. You find that a lot in South also.
Yes.
I've done a lot of work in South,
Yes, of course.
and I find
Acha, by the way, a lot of people don't know that. A lot of people have kind of put you into the legendary aspect of only being associated with the Hindi film industry. I want to use this opportunity to say that music hasn't limited, or you haven't limited your music talents to only.
no, because
Mumbai.
I've used. I want to say something about the South.
Please.
That songs like Jodwa,
Yeah.
film, or Virasat, Suryavansham with Amit Ji. Even that song Koi Jaye To Le Aaye, Meri Laakh Duaएं Paaye. I went to the South. I just love, the right word is the discipline.
Correct. I've noticed that. Yes.
When you're working with a Priyadarshan,
Yeah.
when you're working with the musicians in the South, nothing to do with our great musicians have been fantastic.
Yeah.
But God, that love, that madness,
You're right.
the love for time and the love for work
The respect.
is amazing.
And it trickles down to the last person.
And absolutely,
Yeah.
when they also declare that 1 hour for lunch, they enjoy the lunch.
Absolutely.
But when they start working, they just go hammer and tongs.
Yeah. I've had the
And I
good
think-
fortune of working
yeah,
in the
so
South industry. Yes.
I mean, I am grateful to the Hindi film industry for
Yeah.
what it has made me. But also the South, I'm very lucky. I've experienced firsthand that I could meet great directors there, great producers, great musicians, and great talent in the South.
Absolutely. I mean, what's one thing which is coming across again and again in this conversation is your gratitude.
Yeah, I feel that it's time to thank not only God, absolutely first God,
but also the people who've shaped me and
But
helped.
you did. I mean, you turn around and say something which is right when all the stars align. And by stars, I only don't mean the stars and the actors, the directors, the platform, the film.
So the gratitude that you've shown, the appreciation that you've shown, not kept it internal, has been amazing. Okay, tell me, how do you unwind? I mean, I know you don't need to unwind from music.
Okay, guys, I don't
But-
smoke.
Yeah.
I don't drink. I keep on my way of unwinding as my wife has given up on this.
Okay, which
She
is
said when he's relaxing also, he's composing.
humming. I've seen that.
So,
I want to say that.
so the only thing is that she's saying when you're really working with your producer, you're a bit da-dun, dun, da-dun. So when you're relaxing, da-dun, dun, da-dun.
I've seen that.
So the only difference is that your relaxation.
Thing changes that, oh, Anu's on a holiday. Now we're on holiday. So I'm not even-
You don't like holidays, sir.
No,
You
no, I know.
enjoy being with your family and
But I
friends, but
love-
you don't like holidays.
But there's one day, along the years, I've kept for my wife and children. That is Sunday.
Always.
That's never been. I completely don't want to meet anybody on that day. No way. Unless it's an emergency. But
Yeah.
I try to avoid it. Then I do that emergency thing in the night, Saturday.
I see.
So for example, I have to finish a timeline. Saturday till 2 o'clock I'll work.
but Sunday
till
you
3
will keep.
o'clock, till 4 o'clock. But come Sunday, I want only Anju and Mola.
But I've seen that about you. You're a disciplinarian. You take care of your health. I've had the opportunity of working out with you several times. That's why you're in such great shape. You
I
take
don't know
care of
whether
your
I'm getting
diet.
shape.
You've always generically been really fit. You're a tall man. And you've had these weird timings because the industry doesn't really work only on your timings. And yet you've maintained that. You take care of your health. You spend time with your family. You have a discipline. You get up, you do your riyaz. I know that this is what your life is. And I know that you enjoy your work so much that it exudes energy at every point.
I think it's something that we all should love and respect, because you realize as the years go by, when you're working and you come back after a song recording, when you come back after a shot,
Yeah.
and you're sitting alone in your car, you wonder, यार ये shot दिया कैसे मैंने
हाँ,
आज?
हाँ.
वो होता है.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
So I wonder, यार ये गाना हो गया है, सब
हुआ
तालियां बजे हुआ कैसे?
बिल्कुल.
Then you start respecting the talent that God has given you,
Absolutely.
and you say thank God.
Yes.
So I am thankful.
And I also know the other side, that sometimes I know you're a stickler for perfection. So sometimes after recording, you won't pass it, but you're like not happy with the day of the work, it'll eat you.
I'll tell
And then you go back and you
I'll
rectify.
tell you why.
Hmm.
I'll tell you this.
Hmm.
After every good song, I've always taken my wife and my children out for a dinner.
Oh, lovely.
Now, My wife comes to me, he doesn't ask me out for dinner that day.
That means.
That means he's not, he says, I have not earned my dinner.
Oh, lovely.
So
Well
she is used, Anmol and Ada are now used to this. Okay, why is that saying? I tell my wife Anju, I said, I have not earned my dinner.
Wow.
Kuch garbad hai gaane mein. The moment the director rings up and says, sorted sir, it's sounding brilliant. Chalo guys,
Let's go out.
chalo bhook lagi hai, let's go out. So it's the
Right.
way I'm made.
Yes.
You feel कि यार, my producer, see I come from an era where my producer has always been God. मैं बताता हूँ क्यों. I've seen producers literally getting money from here. I've seen that era.
कि कहीं
कहीं से पैसा ले आए और पिक्चर बना
पिक्चर बना ले. Wow.
एंड वो मेरे पास आके बोल रहे हैं गाना हो जाएगा ना. सो मुझ में वो एक डर, एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अंदर आ चुका है. वो जाता ही नहीं है. एक बहुत बड़े सिंगर ने भी मुझे कहा, मैं गाना कर रहा था, बड़े यार व्हाट्स द प्राइस लाइक गोइंग टू बी एंड ऑल दैट. आई सेड मैं नहीं मांग रहा यार, कर देते हैं. तो हाँ भैया आप तो बड़े दयालु हैं.
अच्छा.
The way he said it, I just kept quiet. But in my mind I said yes, that daya comes because I've always needed a producer. I need my money. I feel when he earns, he will give you.
Yeah.
Nobody can cheat you for a long time. But you cannot stop work.
by saying, यार मैं ही मैं हूँ.
बिल्कुल.
या तो हम हैं या कोई नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
So I've respected my distributors, and you'll understand when you make a film, that distributor, that exhibitor, that producer, they've always, I feel, they are somehow responsible for me being Anu Malik.
And again, you're showing the respect to all the other people along with yourself. You know,
Yeah, because I remember all these guys. You remember all these films.
of
and you remember
course,
all the...
they've been a part of your journey.
Yeah, so
you know.
it's impossible. So, that earning that dinner, earning
You're
that
talking about
song, owning that song, earning your food, earning your money, वो earn करना बहुत जरूरी है. वो मेहनत करना बहुत
and
जरूरी
you've
है.
really earned the things that you enjoy in life. And I know that you've taken your time because I know you value, it's not only the money aspect of it, Anu sir. You've been, in the world terminology, you've been extremely successful, you still are. But I know success has a different definition for you. You know, you've been kind, and I'm saying this confidently because I've had these meaningful conversations.
But you know what is
with
success
you.
to me is a great song that will be hummed by the people of India and abroad. कि लोग आपका गाना गुनगुना रहे हैं.
Every song you just played, I knew the lyrics of, which
Wow.
I hadn't heard, and I was a baby, I was a child. And I'm sure, like me, 1.5 billion people of our country will also have that. That
But you
makes
said a
it-
very good line before. I'll take you back. कि ये आपका गाना है मुझे पता नहीं था. Now I like that statement. For example, many people did not know I've done Aks.
There you go. Wow.
Many people don't know I've done Filhal. Many
Really?
People, yeah, many people don't know I've done Fizza. And many people don't even know that I've done
Fizza.
Fizza, like the song.
तू
Alright.
हवा है, वो आपका गाना है.
तू हवा है,
There you go.
फिजा है, ज़मीं की नहीं, तू घटा है, तो फिर क्यों बरसती नहीं, उड़ती रहती है तू पंछियों की तरह, आ मेरे आशियाने में आ. Or the song, रोशनी से
Oh, yes.
भरे भरे.
Ashoka.
You know, this film of
Oof.
Shah Rukh and me and Kareena is very close to my heart
Why so?
because I think I gave my best. And the film was outstanding.
Yeah.
The music was to die
Brilliant.
for,
Oof.
and they overlooked it. Like, रोशनी से भरे भरे, भरे भरे नैना तेरे छू के बोले
I just realized, yeah.
ना छू. Wow. Other song? रात का नशा अभी आँख से गया नहीं. रा 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 रा. Even a film like मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ,
Oof.
where many people say, "Oh, you've done Surajji's
My
film."
God, Anuji, you're blowing my mind away.
That song.
My
That
God.
song.
I mean, every film that you're mentioning right
Oh,
now.
Ajnabi,
Wow.
mere Ajnabi. Surajji took out what great music. That song, na? आज मैं हूँ और तुम हो और मोहब्बत है.
What a lovely song. Yeah.
Sanjana, I love you. Sanjana, you remember?
Of course.
I love you all. Kasam ki kasam.
This was
hai
lovely also,
kasam
your favorite.
se. So I can go on.
Of
और
course.
ऐसा लगता
Oh,
है
Refugee.
जो ना हुआ
I feel some of your best music
So
came
I
out
would say
alongside
when Border, JP Datta's
JP Datta sir.
Border, I always when JP साहब का नाम आता है तो मैं I do this because he was the man who gave me Border, Refugee,
Oof.
LOC Kargil, Umrao Jan,
My God.
and you see, you can't forget the.
But you
contribution.
shocked the world and you changed your image according to me when Border happened.
Yeah, because he was the one who came and told me. People are pointing fingers. तूने ये ऐसा किया वैसा किया.
Come here. This is the Mukhra, this is the Antara, this is the film.
Go prove them wrong.
And
The moment the song was recorded, that's Anu Malik. He's very different.
Outstanding.
So
so I owe a lot towards the people who believed in me.
Oh, it's lovely that you're saying it. Okay, I was talking about earning your luxuries, earning your thing, well deserved, you know. And I know you love your cars. And I love, ye thoda sa hai Anuj ji ke paas. He loves his food and he loves his cars.
I love cars. I love watches,
Yes.
and I've always had this urge to always change a car very very fast.
अब एक गाड़ी बिकॉज मेरा वक्त जरा ऊपर नीचे हुआ है तो अभी एक गाड़ी कुछ ज्यादा साथ में रह गई है आई लव दैट कार But
Which
abhi
one
mujhe-
is it?
I love this Audi
Oh, you were a BMW man.
I better say Audi
Acha, Audi.
Audi.
The right way. to
because I
say.
saw some what's it saying so it should be Audi
Audi.
so I better say Audi
But you know, you were a BMW guy.
yeah I've loved BMW
Yeah.
and I love Range Rover segments
Yeah.
I love every new car that comes up and अभी मैं सोच रहा हूँ मैं और मेहनत
Do
करूँ
you like planes? Today you don't like planes at all.
because जब भी कोई मेन बात आने वाले
Yeah, आ जाती है.
अंकल प्लेन कम
Yeah. But I love airplanes.
I'm
course,
a
who
training
doesn't?
pilot. But before that, I'm talking about cars and I'm talking about unwinding. Because I
you love plane
yeah, I'm a training pilot, sir.
okay tell me something
I won't name this, but
Hmm.
when the plane is coming down on the runway, I've
Landing.
heard this 250, 200,
yes.
150,
Yeah, they call out.
150 touchdown. That really breaks you to a sweat. I've seen even the pilots.
But you're
What
sitting
is
in the
that? I
passenger.
mean, you are a
So it starts from basically, especially in an Airbus, it starts from 50. Starts from 100 feet.
okay.
100. Then
Okay.
at 50, 10, retract. So what happens is that it's telling you where it is, and at 10 you got to absolutely just say
Pull back.
neutral में डालते हो ना आप बिल्कुल accelerator मत दबाओ because the momentum is supposed to take you and land there.
Wow.
So this is what the aircraft tells you.
Lucky
But you know why I brought up
lucky
the-
you.
I love it. But let me tell you something. Why I brought up this topic because I have as a child also loved this form of getting distracted by playing video games.
अभी यार कोई I don't play video game. मुझे फंसा मत
अब
हो.
मैं फंसाने वाला हूँ आप
चलो।
बिल्कुल पकड़ लेते हो
चलो.
and because you like cars I've selected a game about cars.
हो जाए
All right, so I want both of us to play this. और जब हम कर रहे हैं
तू सिखाएगा तू सिखाएगा
मैं आपको क्या सिखाऊंगा मैं मालूम मैं छुपा रुस्तम आप 1 मिनट में सीख जाओगे
चलो
क्योंकि
बताओ.
the basic meter is there but one request I know you won't say no to me
बोल बोल.
when we are playing I want to sing some of my favorite songs with you.
Go for it.
Okay, let's set up the thing and let's go right
So
away.
guys,
we have a budding singer in our midst
Ah,
मल्होत्रा उसको इंट्रोड्यूस करना पड़ेगा एज अ सिंगर
yes, as a singer. Why not? Why not? I have.
The blood of singers in my veins.
of course,
Yeah.
of course.
Chalo, let's get that. Can you get that, please? Somebody? Yeah. Okay, ready, go. Acha, you're catching up, huh? You're right there. There you are. मैं आपके पीछे हूँ. Oh, अरे Anuji, no, I'm gonna bang you.
Now wait, I'll show you now.
Okay, come on. Now I know you pick it up really fast. I'm throwing you off track. Anuji, I want to sing some songs with you. Let's start with my
Okay.
favorite,
Okay.
which is from Duplicate. कब मैंने ये सोचा था,
Ba 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 ba.
कब मैंने ये जाना था,
Ba ba ba
Sing with
ba
me.
ba.
तुम
कब
इतने
मैंने
जब बदल जाओगे,
तुम इतना मुझे चाहोगे, तुम इतना प्यार करोगे, तुम यूं इकरार करोगे मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम. आओ आओ आओ. Oh my God. यार ये तो मुझे you're getting me hooked to this.
That's superb. So stay on the track. Okay, then of course everybody's favorite. 1, 2, 3, go. ऊंची है building.
तारी तारी तारी.
Lift तेरी बंद है.
कैसे
Right.
मैं आऊं?
हम पाना
दिल रज़ामंद है.
Hey.
आजा 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 बैंड बाजा लेके
आजा.
Oh my God.
तेरी
तेरी याद. ये पहली बार हो रहा है किसी के मैं सॉन्ग. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कौन सा अच्छा है.
अच्छा वो
I am concentrating. You know, I've
No,
told
no, you want to sing, you want to sing
No,
along.
I-
And of course, होली में दो गाने फेमस होते हैं, एक तो है रंग बरसे और दूसरा गाना है
शुरू हो जा विशाल.
Do me a favor, let's play होली.
Dong, 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 dong.
रंगों की है प्यार की
गोले, बोली, बोली, बोली.
बोली.
Do me a favor. Hey, my God, भैया. I know why you're doing this. So that I can get
I have gone
confused.
on track.
Yeah, yeah.
अच्छा, there was one whole thing, okay, where you have this habit like, hey, ऐसा कुछ है ना? Why is that? I mean, what is that, or have people
It
misunderstood
just,
that? Or...
no, it just comes out.
Let's sing a song where that
एक
comes.
गरम चाय की प्याली हो. It just comes out.
But why? Why does that? I mean, and have
It's
you?
natural. It's natural.
But it's beautiful. It kind of comes into a lot of your.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Ah.
Be careful of the people of Kyoto. Acha, now we have to, because we're in the last lap.
Okay.
Okay. There's one song, you get back on track,
One
and
minute,
which is
yeah.
my favorite song, and one request. You have to sing,
Which one?
which is Sandesh Se Aate.
Okay. Let's go. 1,
1, 2, 3.
संदेश से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं कि चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम बिन ये घर सोना सोना है ओ माय गॉड ओ
वो वाला अंतरा which I really love.
Okay.
ए
गुजरने वाली हवा बता मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या मेरे गाँव जा थोड़ी दूर है घर मेरा
मेरे घर
में है मेरी बूढ़ी माँ मेरी माँ के पैरों को छू के तू उसे अपने बेटे का नाम दे 1, 2, 1 मैं वापस आऊंगा मैं वापस आऊंगा फिर उसी गाँव में पेड़ की छाँव में माँ के आंचल में दरारी रारा तारा Not bad, यार.
Not bad at all.
Not bad. Not bad.
Record. अच्छा आपको अच्छा लगा? You know when you
I loved it,
video
यार.
games मेरे साथ क्या खिलवाओगे?
I
यार,
have-
I've never done it
Guys,
before.
I've never played a video game in my life till this moment, and the entire credit goes to the one and only Vishal.
And what fun while we played
Vishal
it.
has made me
Listen,
feel very, very, very young and hip hop and happening again. Thank
you
you.
are always young,
you.
hip hop, and happening.
Thank you.
Before you go, I have to ask you.
Yes, sure.
There are a lot of people who look up to you. There are a lot of people who want to come into our industry, want to become music composers, directors, actors. It all forms under one blanket. Anu sir, you have a khazana of experience. I know you'd want to share it with them. कि यार बुद्धू मत बनो, सही reasons के लिए आओ. So what are the reasons?
So, I want to tell something more now. Guys, हमारा जब जमाना था, तो there was no, you know that Google search. There was nothing about knowing the person,
Right.
his address. हमें ढूंढना पड़ता था. मैं बाजा लेके निकलता था सुबह अपने घर से, and I remember the names of the buses: 231, 83,
My
84, 4 Limited, 201. I remember all the buses. I remember going to Santa Cruz station, car station, going to town. एक बाजा लेके, उस पर एक गाना भी लिखा था कि मैं गलियों का राजा, मेरी दौलत मेरा दिल है और ये मेरा बाजा.
Wow.
बाजा लेके घूमता था मैं.
Literally, huh?
Literally. But guys, I want to tell you something. Today, there are so many avenues. For example, I've done Indian Idol, I've done Saregama. There are so many platforms. If you really feel you're talented, prove yourself by coming to the reality shows. A.
Yeah.
2, if you're a singer, if you're a composer, if you write, today you can upload a song composed by you, written by you on YouTube.
Yes.
And you can make the entire world hear it. You can hashtag all the best companies. And if you're good, remember one thing, अच्छी चीज को, अच्छी कला को कोई नहीं छोड़ता.
बिल्कुल.
They'll get back to you.
This industry which has made me Anu Malik, the Hindi film industry.
एंड दिस कंट्री, मैं अपने देश को बहुत प्रणाम करता हूँ, अपनी मिट्टी को मैं माथा टेकता हूँ यहाँ, मेरे भगवान है ये मेरा देश. बिकॉज अगर मैं अन्नू मलिक बना हूँ, इट्स गॉट टू डू अ लॉट विद माई ग्रेट कंट्री इंडिया. अपने देश से आप प्यार करते रहिए, अपने कला पर भरोसा रखिए, टेक्नोलॉजी पर भरोसा रखिए. टुडे डोंट थिंक टेक्नोलॉजी is hampering your success. No, you can reach out to millions of people at the click of a button. If you are talented, and by some chance if you come to know someone advises you कि भाई वो बात नहीं है आप में, अगर वो गुनी आदमी है, सुरीला आदमी है, वो बोल दे तो आपसे नफरत नहीं करता है, वो आपकी भलाई चाहता है कि आप do your education, become an engineer, become a doctor. There are so many other avenues. There is no harm in trying. I'm not discouraging any talent. But अगर आप रियलिटी शो में आए और एक जज ने बोल दिया कि वो बात नहीं है, so don't think that the judge hates you. He doesn't. He wants you to go forward in life. He wants you to make the best use of your time. See, when I tell a singer कि आपकी उम्र क्या है, 25 साल की, but you don't have a voice. बट आप 25 की हैं, तो आप उस 25 के बाद suddenly you put all your energy into saying that what do you like? I like science. Go into science. I like medicine. Go into medicine. Don't waste those years. They're not going to come back. एक बार वो वक्त निकल गया तो वापस आता नहीं है. बख्शी साहब का गाना याद आता है, जिंदगी के सफर में जो गुजर जाते हैं मकाम, वो फिर नहीं आते. So please understand, make full use of your time. Go ahead in life. I do that every day. जो मुझे आता मैं कर रहा हूँ. By the way, when I was about 25, somebody told me, why don't you just become a hero? Why don't you act in films? बहुत अच्छा सवाल था. I was lanky, I was 6 feet, I had this curly hair.
You were
But
still
in
that
why-
dashing and good looking.
Thank you. But I knew in my heart, I looked in the mirror and
Spoke a dialogue. It's a fact.
in the mirror, I looked at myself and I said, Anu Malik, dialogue board. And I said a dialogue, some romantic dialogue. And after the dialogue was over, I started laughing at myself. I laughed and I laughed and I laughed. Itna main hasa hu.
Wow.
And then I realized, bro, this is not for you. You can't be a Shah Rukh Khan, you can't be a Salman, you can't be an Aban, you can't be an Akshay Kumar. They are made for it.
Yeah.
You can't be a Shahid, you can't be an Ayushman, you can't be a Varun, or you can't be. I mean, this is their forte.
Yeah.
So, जो तुम्हें काम आता है वही करो.
Yeah.
Like they say in English, jack of all trades, master of none. I tell this to my daughters also. They learn from me. I tell this to the whole world. Remember one thing. और हर बार गाते रहिए. East or West, India is the best. Why I say this? There is no country bigger than Bharat or better than Bharat. There is no country better than India.
And we should all be grateful कि हम जो भी हैं इस धरती की वजह से, अपने देश की वजह से. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Thank you, Anuji. It's always a learning experience with you. And you have never said no to me, and I will always hold
I'll
you
never ever say no to
my
you.
dearest
Vishal,
heart.
you're my favorite.
Thank you, sir.
And the only way you can prove you care for somebody is by being there for the person,
Thank you.
not by some jappies and hugs.
Whether it's my first film, whether it's my first ad film, whether it's my shoots, whether it's this,
Don't forget that.
you have
Don't forget
always-
that. What is the metaverse? तूने क्या बनाया था वो?
वही तो,
What was that?
Ilm,
Ilm.
the
हाँ.
film,
Wow.
NFT.
That was something new again.
Yes. And that's where you showed your not only your presence but your interest. And
Of
it was
course.
so encouraging.
Of course,
And
congratulations
thank
to
you
you.
very, very much.
I've had a great time talking to you. And I wish all the best to the Vishal R. जल्दी कर दो पार्क घर पे अपनी कार. The show is about to start. उसका नाम है The Vishal R.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That was the amazing Anu Malik. Love him, hate him, you can't ignore him. Bundle of talent, and this became a musical podcast. And what an amazing journey. And he shared it without blinking an eyelid. I thank him so much. It was a personal experience. No matter what one thinks, I think he's a legend. I think he's contributed so much to the Indian film industry. And I'm so grateful that he was here today. Well, that was our show for today. I'll see you again very soon on the Vishal Hour. See you soon.
मस्ती, great conversations, laugh, motivation and gaming. अगर आपको ये सब पसंद है, you're in the right place. Subscribe to the Vishal Hour and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
How China has been positioned to be this amazing superpower threatening and at the doorstep of America, and you just shattered these facts.
other freedom fighters would be sent to the Kalapani, Andamans.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Oh yes. So why the kid glove treatment for Mr. Gandhi since he
Why?
was such a big threat? Wasn't he a much bigger threat than everybody else?
Kush means?
Killer of Hindus.
That's the actual literal translation of Hindu Kush.
Literal translation.